In this video I'm going to show you what to do if you forgot my eyes only password on Snapchat. So first let's open up Snapchat application and here hit add your memories. Now you can swipe over to the very right and hit add my eyes only, and of course here it asks you to enter your passcode. And let's say I forgot that passcode, and here at the bottom right it says options. I can hit on that and it gives me two options. The first is change passcode. I can hit on that button and here I have to remember current passcode to be able to change it to new passcode. So if you forgot passcode, you have to select forgot passcode, and there first you have to enter your password for your Snapchat account. I have it saved on Apple ID, and now once I have entered it, I just tap add next. Now it says that when you forgot your passcode, you can no longer access my eyes only. If you would like to create a new passcode, you will lose everything currently saved to my eyes only. There is no way to restore my eyes only content if you forgot my eyes only passcode. That's how Snapchat works. And if you agree with that, you can hit there on this check mark where it says that you understand that creating a new passcode will delete all snaps in my eyes only. And once you read all that information and if you agree with that, you just need to tap add continue, and here you can create new passcode. I will enter new passcode, then I'll confirm it. And here it says that this passcode is the only way to access my eyes only. There it shows up for us last time and I have to remember it. Next I'll tap at the check mark and tap add continue. And now passcode has been successfully changed. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.